Hello Jim, TechBuzz new product in, and this is the UGEE S640 Pen Tablet. So it's not what it looks like. A few people thought when they've seen it. And you can start your creative journey here. Now we've done some of these before in the past, but on a bigger scale. This is a smaller one, more pocket friendly. And it's carbon black, battery free stylus, pressure levels 8192, 5080 LPI resolution. And you've got USB-C port, you've got your input on Android 6 or later, work with Windows and Mac as well. And of course Linux. So this is what you have here if you're not familiar with what these do. So these are just like a sketch pad, but you can transfer it to your phone or whatever else you might want to do. And you've got customizable shortcuts as well. So let's get it opened up and see what it looks like inside. Right, we have another thingy there. So you've got a warranty card in here, and in the back here you've got all your connections that you want. You've got your pen, USB adapters, which is pretty cool. Your main adapter here, USB-A, USB-C, and this is two separate adapters. So let's have another look at them. Pen. Find out what that's for. Quick start guide. This is your pen, and it's just a simple pen, stylus. I'll take off that and have another look. So you've got a button here on the side as well. UGEE branding. There's your main cable there. So you've got your adapter here, and you've also got some extra nibs there as well. So if you happen to lose or break any, that's fine. So effectively here, if you want to go USB-C, USB-C, you can, or micro USB, which is cool with this adapter. You can just pop it on there, and you're pretty much more or less good to go. So you can download a driver from their website should you need to do so, but we'll check that out. So we're testing this purely on a phone, as that's what we said we'd be doing with the company when they contacted us. Alright, please remove protector before use. So we do have a protector on, and you've got your customizable short keys here, and you can actually put your pen in here, which is nice. No magnet like you find with a tablet, but nonetheless some expensive tablets don't even get something like this put on their tablet for holding a pen, which is a simple idea. USB-C port there, and whatever that is, we'll check that out as well when we're getting going on it. That's basically it. It's just a small kind of board to sketch on, and we're going to check out what these shortcuts are and all that. And you can download loads of apps as well. So it comes with a range of apps you can download from the stores and connect to your phone, and that's really it. A simple enough thing to use. So what we're going to do is test it out, come back and show you what we can do with it, and we'll talk to you then.